So we're upgrading the radio on this 67 S-Code Fastback that we have for a client of ours. And I just wanted to kind of show you guys what's involved in the whole process and just make you aware of the fact that you can get these radios upgraded. And by just upgrading the radio and the under-dash speaker, you can really have a much more enjoyable, more modern music listening experience in your vintage car while still retaining the factory vintage look. So here I have a vintage 67 Mustang radio, factory radio, and we sent this off and had the internals swapped out for modern internals. So you get a actual vintage factory radio with the knobs functioning, buttons functioning, everything functions still, but you have modern capability now. So inside it's got a circuit board and amplifier and stuff that gives you more watts, cleaner sound. You've got AM, FM. I think you can do Bluetooth. In fact, I think we did Bluetooth on this one. What the internal system is called, it's made by this company called Aurora Designs, and that's what most people are using that are upgrading these radios and swapping out the internals. So really cool update for your vintage car, something we love to do on a lot of cars, and something I also recommend is updating the under-dash speaker. It's just a higher quality speaker and a louder speaker than what came from the factory with these vintage Mustangs. Quick public service announcement: if you have a vintage radio in your car that has not been upgraded and modernized like this one has, do not put modern speakers in that car, because modern speakers are not made to work with vintage radios. They have a different resistance, and a modern speaker can actually ruin and possibly destroy your vintage radio. So don't do that. So that's one of the benefits actually of doing an upgraded radio, is because it now allows you to use modern speakers, and you have a much wider speaker selection and a much better speaker selection. So as far as I know, you can do this kind of thing for all kinds of different vintage cars. We just mainly do Mustangs, and it's just something that's really cool. I wanted to make you guys aware of the fact that it does exist. A lot of people don't know you can do this to your vintage car radio, get it upgraded and make it more modern. All of our clients that we've done it for love it. They all enjoy it. It's something that we always recommend to people. It's something that we do for our own cars. We really enjoy it. So anyway, I just wanted to make sure that I let you guys know that this thing is out there, that you can do this for your car. It's something really cool. It's a cool upgrade. And if you're interested in finding out how to do it or getting someone to do it, just Google search it, you'll find somebody. So Dad and I have been doing classic cars forever. We've got a whole box full of radio related hardware actually just for this kind of thing. Let me show you. So it's right here under my desk. This giant tub here. All right, so basically I've got some replacement speakers. Got some of the factory style. No, this one's for modern. Yeah, here's some of the factory style speakers to work with vintage radios. That's 8 ohms. Got a bunch of vintage radios here. So we got 69 Mustang, 65, 66 Mustang radio. Let's see, 68 Mustang radio, 65, 66, 65, 66. There's a 67 AM radio. So really, the reason we keep all of these is so we can have a radio to send off and restore. And we've also got, let's see what else we got in here. Oh yeah, so this is a ton of brackets, factory brackets that you need if you have a console car, or you know, a lot of the factory radios actually have a bracket that goes on the back of the radio to stabilize it. These are things that are often missing on cars because people just lose them over the years. Here's a whole bag full of OEM style radio knobs that we keep in inventory. We just want to give you guys a good classic car show that's real guys, real cars, and no fake drama. We want to share with you what we've learned over a lifetime of being in classic cars, and we just hope that you guys will enjoy these videos and find them helpful. And if you do, please click like, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified when we make another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.